Hello friends, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to install style component, but before that, let's delete the files which are not required. So let's go to app.css. This file is not required because we are going to write our CSS through style component. So I am going to delete this file. So move to trash. Then if we go to index.css, this code is not required. So I'll delete this and I'll save this file. Now logo.svg, this also I don't require, so let's delete this. And then we need to go to app.js, and these two lines we don't require because we have deleted the file. And let's remove this div, and I'll simply return a div which says hello style component. Let's save this file, and let's go to the browser. So here you can see hello style component. Now we will install style component. So let's go to Visual Studio Code, and here we need to stop the terminal. So to stop the terminal, we need to press Ctrl C, and to install style component, we need to go to their official website. So their official website is style components style-components.com, and here we need to click on documentation, and then we need to click on basics, and here we need to click on installation. So here, as you can see, this is the line which we required. So install style component only takes a single command and you are ready to roll. So let's copy this, and let's go to Visual Studio Code, and here we need to paste it. So now the installation has begun. So we have to press enter, okay, after pasting the line. So we have successfully installed the style component in our project, and this is it for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next video.